Welcome to Gonzo Airsoft. This is Major Clanger. We're back at Section 8. This footage is following immediately on from the Bomb the Base footage I just put up last week. We're now approaching the final base that needs to be bombed. Most of the defenders have not caught up with us yet, so we're just facing the original defenders of the base. But because of our fleet-footedness, we found ourselves a little isolated. We are now a little vanguard force. We can't really put any serious pressure onto this final base until the rest of our guys manage to catch up with us.
Well, this is the base we're attacking here.
So we've got probably about 4 or 5 attackers to my left, one chap to my right. The base is probably 150 foot away, and we're starting to take some incoming fire. They know we're here now. So the next thing we need to do is get off. We're on a bit of a ridge. Beyond this ridge is a muddy path and a wall that skirts the outside of the enemy base. So first I need to give some covering fire to my colleague, get him down across to the wall. And off he goes. And we take out a defender in the process. Now starting to be joined by the rest of the force. To my right now we've got Jimbo, one of my good friends from Glasgow. You will recognise him from some of my other videos. Now he's going to give me some fire. The base is now just probably about 100 foot away. To the left we've got a few more defenders made it to the wall line. Jimbo's now made it down.
You forget it's all muddy, so you have to jump down into it.
There's fire coming from the right. We've got some of the defenders who'd been killed at the last base that we attacked. They'd come around and flanked us. But a burst of automatic fire managed to take down a couple, and now it's time to get our troops back in the fight.
Right in the mud, Jimbo, for fuck's sake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Chap to my left suggests see if we can hop over the wall. He's going to give me some fire. This is a risky move. There's no cover in front of me, and I get picked off. But I am close enough to the wall that I can be mediced back in without exposing my colleague, and that's what it does here, and I'm back in the game. I do not want to give my position away here too readily, as I have very little cover. But there's nothing more satisfying than a single shot which takes out an enemy. He's quite surprised. That reminds me, I must get my old sniper rifle back out. I've got a milsim game at Land Warrior in a couple of weeks. I've got some nice mid-cap magazines for the G36, looking forward to trying those, and I may dig out the L96 as well. But my attempt to grenade the base, unsuccessful there.
Oh, I need the flag.
So I need to respawn back at the flag. The final part of this game all became a bit of a clusterfuck. We had defenders respawning right at the back of the base, and there was some confusion over whether we had managed to bomb all the bases. So I'll save you that stramash. But for now, this is Major Clanger out.